Australia's most capable shipyard. Welcome to the Yard Brisbane, the premium destination for repair, refit and refinish. We're a full-service ship repair facility with a 600-tonne lifting capacity, with purpose-built sheds to suit any scale project, and comprehensive marine services available on-site for all your project needs. We've got multiple 60-metre blast bays for outdoor blasting and coating services. Australia's most reputable marine experts call TYB home. RL Marine, experts in marine engineering and propulsion. Marks Craft, bespoke boat builders and superyacht luxury refit specialists. GT Mac, commercial abrasive blasting and protective coatings. Lumark, leaders in stainless steel, aluminium and steel fabrication services. Harrop Marine, engineering, fabrication, maintenance and construction. Zenith Engineering, specialists in marine gensets and propulsion units. And that's just to name a few of the 350 skilled marine professionals who are on site daily to help you with your needs. The Yard Brisbane's highly qualified shipwrights and engineers operate in state-of-the-art engineering and interior fit-out workshops, with modern meeting rooms and offices to discuss your project with qualified marine project managers. With a commercial marina, a 50-metre, 5-metre draft service berth and refuelling dock, there is no doubt that when it comes to pleasure craft, superyachts, tugboats, commercial and marine construction, the Yard Brisbane is Australia's most capable shipyard. Contact us today to discuss how we can help you with your next marine project.